Do you know the difference between this and this? For sure, both of them are flat washers. So, how are they different? This is a machine washer. And this is a punched washer. This video will explain the critical differences between a machined and punched washer. At the end of the video, I will demonstrate how to design a flat washer using Fusion 360. Before that, we will understand what a washer is. Applications of washer. Function of washers. Types of washers. And the difference between the machined and punched washers. In the next video, I will explain how to design a flat washer using CATIA V5. And then a significant topic, how designers select a washer. Before I start the video, Royal Mechanical offers job-oriented courses for mechanical engineers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing. First, let's understand what is a washer. A washer is a flat, disc-shaped component usually made of metal with a hole in the center. Where are washers used? Washers are used everywhere. They are used in cars, bikes, aircraft, robots, 3D printers, drones, machines, construction, and many more places. How are washers used? Washers are used between the fastener and the surface of the fastened parts. A washer is used between the screw and the fastened parts and between the nut and the fastened parts. What are the functions of washers? The top three functions of washers are distributing the load or force exerted on the fastener to a larger surface of the fastened parts, preventing the loosening of fasteners, especially the nut, and protecting the surfaces of the fastened parts. How many types of washers are there in the industry? There are a variety of washers used in the industry. Popular are flat, spring, lock, tooth lock, sealing, Belleville, and fender washers. The Indian standard for plain washers is IS 2016. As per IS 2016, there are two types of plain washers: machined and punched. What is the difference between machined and punched washers? As the name indicates, the machined washer is machined, usually turning on a lathe. The punched washer is punched using a press tool on a press machine. Let's take a look at the manufacturing process of the machine washer. First, face turn the raw material. Then drill the inner diameter of the washer. Then turn the outer diameter of the washer. Then part the thickness of the washer. Now, let's look at the punched washer's manufacturing process. The washer is punched using a press tool on a press machine. Now, let's design a flat washer using Fusion 360. Double-click the Fusion 360 icon on the desktop to launch Fusion 360. Click on New Project. A new project folder is created. Rename the project folder to your project name. Then hit Enter. Double-click the project folder. Click on the new design. Now let's save the design. Make sure the location is correct, and then enter the name. Then hit the Save button. Unhide the origin and observe the X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. the XY plane, the XZ plane, and the YZ plane. Now let's create the sketch for the washer. Select the sketch command and pick the XY plane. Open the Indian Standard document for flat washers IS2016. The link to download the document is provided in the description box of this YouTube video. Scroll down to page 15. Let's design a washer for the M10 screw. The internal diameter of the washer is 10.5 millimeters. Click the circle command. Pick the center of the circle as the origin and sketch the circle. Create a sketch dimension for the circle. Enter 10.5 millimeters. Now, sketch another circle for the outer diameter. Click the circle command. Pick the center of the circle as the origin and sketch the circle. Create a sketch dimension for the circle. Refer to the standard document and enter 21 millimeters. Finish the sketch. Now it's time to extrude the thickness of the washer. Pick the extrude command. Select the profile. Check the thickness of the washer by referring to the standard. The thickness of the M10 washer is 2 millimeters. Enter the extrusion distance as 2 millimeters. Click OK. With this, we have completed the washer design. Save the design. Now the question is, should we design a washer? For example, should you design a washer as a design engineer in a machine tool manufacturing company? The answer is no. As the washer is a standard component, we don't have to design a standard component. We can insert the standard component. Let me demonstrate the same. First, let us hide the washer's body. Then click on Insert McMaster-Carr component. In simple words, McMaster-Carr is an American company that sells standard components. You can see many standard items once you click the Insert McMaster-Carr component. Select washer. Then select a metric. Then select M10. There are a lot of types of washers. Let's choose the general purpose washer. Then let's set the material as steel. Then let's choose the specification as ISO. We can download the washer in various formats. Let's download the STEP file. STEP is an abbreviation for the standard for the exchange of product data. Now you can see the washer is inserted into the design. However, the disadvantage is you can't edit the design. We can position the washer in the desired location. Go ahead and explore the standard parts in the McMaster-Carr catalog. That's all in this video. In the next video, I will explain how to design a flat washer using CATIA V5. And then a significant topic, how designers select a washer. Like, share, and comment if you want me to create these videos integrating the design and manufacturing. Contact us if you are interested in such training videos related to the manufacturing industry, especially product design and development. Write to success@royal-mechanical.com.